Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide your desktop app into your Windows 11. Basically, you can see there are a lot of apps into your desktop wallpaper, and sometimes you don't want to see them on your wallpaper. It's just a peek. So you can see I have quite apps. So if I want to hide them, how are you gonna do it? Today's video I'm gonna show you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So it's very simple. If you click on your right mouse button. So if you click on right mouse button and click on the view, and you can see here is the option called show desktop icons. If you now uncheck it, you can see our desktop icon is hide. They are not showing. And if you want to get them back, you just need to click on the view, click on show desktop icons, and they will be back again. You can see. So it's quite very simple. So this is how you can hide your desktop icon into your Windows